Hi again guys, welcome to setting up the development environment for this course. And what you need to follow along in this course. I recommend that you have a more modern computer running Python 3.3 or later. Good text editor, I'll get back to that. And that you are comfortable with using, an internet connection, and a healthy dose of patience and wonderment. I also recommend that you utilize internet searching for any problems that may arise. Professional programmers don't actually know it all. They usually only know those problems that they deal with day in and day out. And a lot of time of a professional programmer is spent researching and tracking down why a behavior is occurring. So no one should ever feel bad for relying on a Google search to solve a problem. Sometimes your Googling abilities are just as important as your programming ones. So I'll also try to share with you the source code for those bigger code parts, and I will put them as downloadable links in each section of the course. So when you're choosing IDE, Integrated Development Environment, or a text editor, you can choose from these, but you can choose anything that you like, you are comfortable with. I'm going to use PyCharm. That's my choice. This is what I use. And I will also use Sublime Text. A lot of programmers use a text editor like Sublime Text. These are advanced text editors, but really cool to work with. I haven't used it for some time now. I'll look into it again. You have Atom, you have brackets, or you have the more complex one, Visual Studios and Eclipse. There are tons of other IDEs you can use. You have Vim for the really hardcore programmers. To me, that's too complicated, and that's why for this course I'm going to use PyCharm. And also you need to set up your environment variable. You need to set Python to path, and what that means is that when you have your command line, let me show you. And setting up I just start the command prompt to show you what I mean by adding Python to path. Is that when you are in your command prompt, you can just type Python and it will start. Here you see my version. My version is 3.5. You can hopefully, since you're taking this course, you already have it installed. For this course, I'm going to work with Python 3.5. But like I said, 3.3 and above is it's good. And especially if you are on Windows, being able to use it this way, you need add Python to your path. You can do it by holding down the Windows key and pause break key, and it will bring out this window. And depending on your system, I don't know what OS you are going to use, or if you are on Mac or Windows, both are suitable for this course. course, and you set your environmental variables here. Here you see I have already added Python. So depending on which system you are using, I recommend that you Google adding Python to path for what's suitable for your system. And you should get lots of explanation on how to set up the path environment, adding Python to the path environmental variable. So just go through this exercise, because this is exercise if you already haven't added Python to your environmental variables. So this is what you need in order to get started. So now get cracking, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks guys.